Hello, Scott Milligan here with SkipperBud's up in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. One of our newest listings. This is a 2015 Cruiser's Yachts 350 Express. Great layout in the mid-level cabin cruiser range. The 35 is a great sized boat if you don't want to get too big, but still want a lot of amenities. This boat's black. It does have the bottom painted hull as well. Coming around to the stern here, of course you've got your trim tabs. It does have Bravo 3 drives. Getting into there, of course it's got canvas on the back. It does have a hard top as well. There's the exterior. We'll jump up on inside and go through the interior for you. Thank you. Hello, Scott Milligan here with SkipperBud's Oshkosh, coming to you from the inside of this 2015 Cruiser's 350 Express. As you can see, boat's in great condition. Got a nice usable cockpit, lots of room. Does have a fridge up top, a nice sink, plenty of storage throughout. Again, this boat is powered by twin 8.2s. Does have a Kohler generator, and this boat is equipped with the vessel view. And I believe, let's take a look at the hours here as it pops up. I think it's just under 50 hours, right in that neighborhood. So a very lightly used boat. Well, that's loading here. I'll show you. They do have a Ray Marine screen here as well. It is equipped with radar as well. And of course, with Mercruiser, you got the SmartCraft Axios system. And there you go. You got the Axios with Skyhook. It does have a VHF radio. Oh, there's the engine came up there. So yeah, you can see 45 hours port, 48.5 hours starboard. So again, very lightly used. Go on down into the cabin below here. This cherry wood interior. Got your main power supply here, your power panel. It does have a walk around bed so you can get into the berth from both sides. Good amount of storage throughout the boat. TV, this does actually pop out, swing around for the bed as well. Your microwave oven, again your fridge. Of course, in the back here you've got your little setting. It does convert into a bed. And here you've got your vacuum flush head as well as your shower setup. Lots of light throughout the boat, so it's very nice. If you notice, it's got the 3 skylights and then lots of lighting all the way around, so it does stay nice and airy and light down below. And on our way back up here, and nice seaweed flooring throughout the cockpit. Nice bolsters. Keys off, get this ready to go. So this boat's available as of now. Please give us a call. Be happy to make arrangements to show it to you. Like I said, just give us a call anytime here at SkipperBud's. Thanks.